Silver in the month of June finally tried to consolidate its position and traded with a moderate bearishness. After a multi-year breakout since last 3 to 4 months, we have seen silver now consolidating its position. Now, what to expect in the month of July? Can we expect silver to fly high, or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop to move towards the support levels here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? In the month of July and in the coming week, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. And towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies. So watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, let me share that I do update twice a day targets for silver. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, which gives you a very much clear direction to trade for and profit. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Yes, you can also join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into charts and indicators. Now, first, let's have a look at the monthly chart. See, on a monthly basis, this was the first consolidation zone. Then we have seen silver breaking out. Then for years, it has been trading sideways in a narrow range. And now this is the breakout. So this breakout is going to stay here. And we can say that the bullishness might prevail. But it is it is getting overbought, and that is what we have seen on the month of July. That see, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. For it to sustain on a monthly basis outside Bollinger Bands is going to be difficult, and that is where we can see prices trying to reverse, and it is closed at the bottom or at the verge of the Bollinger Bands itself. So a good retracement is seen here. Now if you look at the moving averages have now started to diverge. It is sign of bullishness. It may continue to diverge, which suggests that the bullishness might continue. Now, what has happened? The Bollinger Bands, which have started to expand, you can see the bottom is flat, the top is expanding, suggests that the bullishness is there. Second thing, look at the monthly candles. Lower highs are seen. Now, lower highs means in the coming month as well, we should be watchful and cautious of 31 or 3050 levels at best. At best, silver may try to achieve these levels, and these are going to be stronger resistance levels for silver on the upside with 3050 and $31 levels. Yes, the month is yet to start, and obviously the swings cannot be denied. So we have to wait and watch the direction it adopts in the first week or first couple of weeks. If it starts on a bullish note, moves towards 3050 $31 levels, the chances of a reversal towards the end from the midweek onwards will be very high, and thus we have to be extremely watchful on the upside towards 3050 and $31. Now see, this is silver, and it can wonders in a single day where the prices can show a pullback. In one a single day we can see it retracing or dropping sharp. So we have to be watchful. First couple of weeks, possibly the trend it takes might get reversed later half of the month. The chances of a bearish candle exist strong, where it can try to erase some of the gains from this candle, which is situated, the bottom of which is situated at around 26. Thus if it moves towards the high, the chances of it moving towards 28 will be very high towards the end of the month. Now see, the stochastic is still trading bullish, but almost trading in a convergence, or you can say consolidation zone. Look at the rise, and it is seeing trading in the zone itself. If you look at now, if you see the MACD on the monthly charts, you will find it is trading with divergence. It is staying bullish. After the drop, we have seen it rising, and it has still room for it to continue with further bullish momentum here. And thus in the coming month, in the month of July, if you see silver staying beyond 31, remember the chances of a reversal will get diminished, and then we can look forward to again 32.4 and in fact 34 levels as well. But we have to be trading with caution as it is entering into slight overbought zone. You can see too much of divergence here calls for it to converge. What has happened here can begin here, where for next couple of months it can converge and then bounce back. The RSI is also trading near to top. Coming to the weekly, if you look at weekly charts, the formation here is simple. See, good support, good base. At this point I have mentioned silver is looking forward to a rise, and you can see first rise then retracement, second rise then retracement, and third rise and a retracement here. Yes, it is still trading in this bullish channel. The next part is the bearishness getting diminished. This is important. But the most important part is look at the formation here, the drop retracement, the drop retracement. And see, after forming a doji, this was the first bearish candle. But the important part is the closure of the candle, the body sizes ideally remain same. So if in the coming week you see silver is staying beyond 2980, we can expect it to rise beyond 3020, and then in fact it can try to move towards 3050, 3080 levels, which is going to be a prime resistance. The second part here is if you look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Thus, any point of time in the coming week, silver stays below 2850, 2840 zone, we can say that a retracement towards 28, 2780 can be seen, and in fact then the next support levels at 2720 will come into picture. Looking at the moment, the bullishness has definitely got diminished, but I can say the bears were not also equally strong here. Let's have a further look. See, stochastic is right now looking downwards. It is trying to suggest slight bearishness. If you look at now, see MACD here. This is the all-time highs here on MACD. Rise, retracement, and then this rise. Now it is trying to converge here. It is not yet crossed over. Yes, it is trading at an higher levels, but it has scope for it to hit further highs as well. So I can say that it has converged. It is not yet crossed over. And as long as it fails to cross over, the chances of divergence means bullishness will be high. And that is why I say as long as 28, 27, 80 levels on the downside are respected in the coming week and in the month of July, we should not be treating this as bearish. A possibility of a recovery and a rise cannot be denied. RSI dropping here, trying to trade bearish, trying to suggest slight bearishness here. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts, look at the formation rise, retracement, bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. Now if you see, it is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. Also, if you see, it is forming nice flag here, and thus any breakout out of this flag should be the only criteria for us to decide whether it is turning bullish or it is turning bearish. And that is why I say as long as 30, 50, $31 levels are not breached on the upside, we should not be treating this as, and beyond 31 is where we can say that the bulls might try to take over. So a breakout out of this flag formation is going to be important in the coming week when if you see silver trading beyond 30, 50, $31 levels, just stay bullish. We will look forward to another rocking performance on the buy side, on the bull side here. We have to be very, very watchful. If you look at the daily charts, you will find another observation here is that the drop, the retracement, and it has to break now first 2960, 2980 zone. Any movement beyond 2960, 2980, we should say that we can look forward to 3025, 3050, and then 3080, 31. And beyond 31, just stay bullish. What has happened on the last trading session? We have seen good swings, higher lows, higher highs here, and it has closed in green, but the bullishness is also diminished. This is one part you should not miss, which means that neither the prices were willing to stay bullish nor we have seen the bears taking over. On the downside, now it is also equally important for silver to break below 2860, 2840 zone, which is going to be of prime support. Stochastic here is oversold, and we can see a possible recovery on the daily charts. Coming to the MACD here on the daily charts, if you look at the MACD, see the waves here, first wave, second wave, we have seen it trading bearish, we have seen it looking downwards, and it is not yet shown any signs of crossover or conversion. A possible crossover here can lead to another round of bullishness. Now this will also confirm that the breakout will be seen, the crossover will be seen, and post the breakout and post the crossover, a strong rise can be expected on the daily charts. This is what we can see here. The RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy here so that you can all trade profitably. Before we start, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, where you get to learn all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services, or join the free Telegram channel, or join the channel memberships here on YouTube. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads, and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. In the coming week, if you see silver staying above 29.25, you can buy here. 29.25.30 is first resistance zone. You can buy here at 29.30, and then we can expect it to move towards 29.50, 29.60. Any move beyond this zone, rather I will say 29.50, 29.65, any move beyond this zone should be seen as a bullish confirmation where the prices might try to move towards $30 levels. And if it breaks beyond this $30 levels, we can look forward to 30.25, 30.50, and then 30.80 levels. Beyond 30.80, more bullishness is going to be seen, and this is going to be prime resistance zone for silver in the month of July, where we have to be focused on. Possibility of this levels getting achieved is there, but possibility of a reversal from these levels is also equally strong. If it breaks out beyond 31, just do not think of selling silver. We can look forward to 32, 32.5, and then 34 levels, but chances for this happening also appears to be very less. On the downside, where to sell? Now see, you can sell here at 28.90, but then first support at 28.70, then at 28.50-40 zone. Very good support exists here. If it drops below this, then we can say silver is dropping towards $28 levels, and then below 28 is where slight bearishness can prevail, where we can look forward to 27.50, 27, and 26.80. Now 27.50 and 26.80, the 2700 and 26.80 is going to be a prime support zone for silver on the downside. Even if it tries to crash, these levels are going to play an important role, because below 26.80, the destination or the next stop is towards $26 levels. Chances of this happening in the month of July appears to be less. So possibly what I'm looking forward to, a little rise followed with a drop in the month of July, is what you can see. Take your trades accordingly. Do not miss to watch the daily update. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel. Join the channel memberships. And yes, do not miss to join the mentorship batch and the Signals channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a profitable month of July. Thank you.